Okay, I will start my speech in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this motion is the research. This house as a researcher will not publish the information, but why we gonna do that? Tell that the moral responsibility of the researchers to tell the society the truth and that the climate change not caused by human act. The first one is we got founding from the nation to do the research, and then those founding causing the society. Example, they pay tax for government, and they are had the right to know about the result of the researchers. And second is it is because the society put a trust on us as the researchers, and if we don't publish while the society know the truth, they will not even trust the government and researchers. And three, we will educate the society as our agreement before doing the researches. Our mentioned that it etiquette of have researchers. Okay, we would like to stop the domination of the development or to develop the economic, while this the force the developing national to save the environmental. And then in economic as the development and the in development are had the impact of that. I mean like in economic file the imbalance it's very variable to producing the several products, not about environmental preserve the environmental product the environmental, while how the development team more had high quality, and that in development just in more lower than development team. And then when need to go to number 2, where when you don't tell the truth, you as the researcher will not have the truth from the society, and this point government have a big impact on the survival of society. It will be difficult when the government will issue a decision, but there are no longer people who want to follow the decision. And then in our life today, we cannot to predict the nature. So maybe when you do the research and then you do will the society exactly on our circle that makes several people get a panic attack. They are had a feel afraid. That makes someone when you see someone was with trust littering, and the person get a mate, and maybe sometimes they are talking about some harsh word, and then they tell us some harsh words, and to other person maybe that some people do human attack with the person when they are feel uncomfortable to sing. People waste his time littering gitu loh. And they are feel kayak they are wrong and worse things. Okay, the goals is when they all claim change, that's so not all increase, but all about the nature. We cannot to manage the nature, and it just happened in. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay.